General Materials was started in the early 70s. Instead of rock underneath roads, there was what was called hot sand base. We were innovative enough in the early 70s to go buy a dredge and learn what a dredge was, start dredging on the backside of one of our asphalt plants with no classification or washing, just pulling sand out of the ground in large volumes to then be able to dry and coat with oil and use for hot sand asphalt for road base. And so that's how General Materials was started. In 1978, officially became incorporated as General Materials Incorporated. Since then, we're on our 5th official plant site. One of the facilities that's in operation today, and our largest facility, was actually that 1978 incorporation. We've been mining on the same property since then. 2018, we officially signed a supply agreement with this logistics company out of Kansas City to get into frac sand together. A really interesting partnership that we wouldn't have done without them, and I'd like to believe they wouldn't have done without us. It was a really, really nice match. And overnight, we needed to order a lot of equipment, plants and mobile equipment, tried to staff another 35-person operation. And from time of contract to first ton being sold was less than 7 months. Partnered with friends in the industry and got steel ordered and got equipment ordered. And by March 31st of 2019, by contract, we had to load that first ton of sand out, which we did.
My name is Troy Banks. I am the General Manager for General Materials Company. I've been in the mining industry 40 plus years now, since 1978. I've been with major corporation companies. The biggest difference is you don't have that corporate environment. One of those things where if you need something, you make a phone call and you get it today. You don't have to fill out a whole bunch of paperwork to get what you need. We're one of the few places that make gravel. We're open to the public. A lot of people don't know that, but you can come in here with your pickup, and the same money you paid for a 10-pound bag at Ace Hardware, you can cover your pickup for $10. We develop people to where they're best suited. If your skill set is you're the best truck driver around and you like to be a truck driver, we leave you in the truck. If you aspire to do other things, and you come to us and say, hey, I'd like to learn how to run a loader. We want people to cross-train. My goal or my mission here is I want to leave the Lemons with something better than what they had when I came. I want to leave them with the next group of leaders that will continue their company on for the next 30, 40 years.
We love the thought that we build something physically, that we construct or we wash and produce and manufacture raw materials for the construction industry. We go out and use those to create roads and bridges and structures and buildings and things of that nature. And so it's great fun taking I'd say it's not a simple process, but it's a simple concept, and turning it into a quality material that's going into things that are going to last much longer than us. But you'll have a fingerprint on them that you can share that with the next generations or several on past us, and it's pretty exciting. It's fun to be a part of the growth of this whole city. The 45 years that General Materials has been in business and everything, we've been blessed to get to work with some real solid men and women. Folks that came and learned with us how to do this business, acquainted with some experts that have had multiple years worth of experience and innovative ideas, and they've came and helped us take this business to a new level. I think General Materials is in a wonderful position, and in its lifespan right now to continue being a leader in the local materials market for many years to come.